Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 10th class. I hope you are all fine. Today we'll start our next unit number 13, sport and movement. In this chapter, we will discuss human skeleton, types of joints, muscles and movements, disorders of skeletal system. Okay, this is a very important chapter. Chota sa hai, but it's very important. Okay, in this chapter, first topic we will today discuss is the human skeleton. Okay, as you know, the organism with greater sizes, they need sports and they need to keep their body mass as one unit. It's very important because our body is large in size, and that's skeletal system that makes our body as a one unit. Okay, and this is very important in the animals which live on the land. Okay, animals which live on the land, movement is their basic characteristics. Okay, there is a difference between movement and locomotion. This is also important. Question regarding paper, movement and locomotion में क्या difference है? Movement is the general term meaning the act of changing place or position by entire body or its body parts. यानी body parts भी अगर आप move करेंगे या आपका पूरी body एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे move होगी, this is called as the movement. So movement is the general term meaning change of position by the entire body or the body parts. Okay, actually there are two types of movements. Movement of body parts जिसमें आपके different body parts move करते हैं, and second is the locomotion. Locomotion is the movement of an animal as a whole from one place to another. ठीक है, locomotion में क्या होता है, जब actually जब आप move करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे, this is basically described as locomotion. So locomotion is the movement of animal as a whole from one position to another position or one place to another place. Okay, in this chapter we will study the skeletal system which is primarily responsible for the movement. ठीक है, अब हम discuss करेंगे human skeleton को. Okay, human skeleton is basically defined as the framework of hard articulated structure that provides physical support and is important for protection and movement. So skeleton is defined as the framework of hard articulated structure that provide physical support, attachment for skeletal muscle and protections of bodies of animals. This is the definition of skeleton. ठीक है, इसमें different bony structure and muscles इसके साथ अटैच हुए होते हैं जैस इम्पॉर्टेंट इन मूवमेंट, और फिर आपकी बॉडी को डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स को प्रोटेक्ट भी कर रहे होते हैं और ठीक है, और सपोर्ट भी कर रहे होते हैं. एक्चुअली देयर इज टू टाइप ऑफ स्केलेटन सिस्टम, एक्सोस्केलेटन एंड एंडोस्केलेटन. ह्यूमन का जो स्केलेटन है इट इज एंडोस्केलेटन. एंडो मीन बेसिकली इनसाइड. The word endo mean inside, and skeleton means endoskeleton means the skeleton which is present inside the body. So in the higher organisms like human, the skeleton is endoskeleton. In this, the skeleton is present inside the body. Okay, and second type is the exoskeleton, and this type of skeleton is present in different types of invertebrate like arthropods. Okay, where this skeleton is present outside the body. So exoskeleton is the skeleton which is present outside the body, and it is present in different invertebrates like arthropods. Okay, and exoskeleton and second type is the endoskeleton which is present in humans and other higher organism which is present inside the body. ठीक है, आपके बॉडी के इनसाइड में जो क्योंकि स्केलेटन होता है, दैट इज आवर स्केलेटन इज एंडोस्केलेटन. ओके, नाउ दिस स्केलेटन इज वेरी मच अलाइव. ठीक है, आपका ये अलाइव पोर्शन है बिकॉज दे आर मेड अप ऑफ लिविंग सेल्स. इसके अंदर डिफरेंट ब्लड वेसल्स दे आर प्रेजेंट, देयर नर्व्स आर प्रेजेंट, और इसके अलावा दे कैन आल्सो ग्रो एंड दे हैव एबिलिटी टू repair themselves. So these are the different living characteristics. So we can say human skeleton is very much alive because it can grow, it have blood vessels, nerves, okay, and they have ability to repair. Okay, next one is the role of skeleton system. Okay, the important function of skeleton system is protection, support and movement. So these are the major function of skeletal system, that it provide protection to our different body parts, support and movement. It is involved in support and movement. Okay, and now because this our skeletal system is very closely work with the muscular system, so that's how it is involved in the movements. Muscular system and skeletal system, they work very closely, and that's why it is involved in the movement. Okay, similarly it protect our various body parts. For example, our different internal organs like skull protect the brain. Okay, skull is the part of skeleton system and protect the brain. Similarly, vertebral column protect the spinal cord. Okay, and ribs protect most of our other internal organs. So these are the different parts of skeletal system like ribs, skull and vertebral column. They protect our different internal organs. Vertebral column, they also provide the main support to our body mass. So vertebral column is very important in our support of different organs. ठीक है, ये आपकी बॉडी को सपोर्ट भी प्रोवाइड करता है वर्टिबल कॉलम. So that is the different functions of skeletal system. So learn to this topic. It's quite easy. Okay, make MCQs in short questions. इसमें से डिफरेंट आप एक्सोस्केलेटन एंड एंडोस्केलेटन का डिफरेंस पेपर्स में पूछ लिया जाता है, और इस तरह से रोल ऑफ स्केलेटल सिस्टम ये तो आप लोग पहले से भी पढ़ते आए हैं. लर्न दिस. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.